In the cold silence of space, something has arrived. It's not a comet. It's not a satellite. And it's definitely not from any earthbound database we have. Its name, 3I Atlas, sounds like something conjured in a science fiction novel, but it's real. And it's here. Spotted just weeks ago, it pierced our atmosphere's edge with a grace that defied ballistic expectation. It glides, shifts through space, in a way no known natural object should. Not tumbling. Not spinning chaotically. Not behaving like anything we've seen before. Astronomers labeled it 3I Atlas. 3I denotes an interstellar object, only the third ever recorded entering our solar system from outside it. The previous two, Oumuamua, a cigar-shaped rock that baffled scientists in 2017, and Borisov, an icy comet. But Atlas is something else. It changes color. Not in a way you'd expect from a celestial body reflecting light, but in pulses. Blues to oranges. Reds to deep violet. As if signaling. Or scanning. Or perhaps something far more intelligent. Its trajectory is not just unusual, it's impossible under natural conditions. Instead of slingshotting through the solar system like its predecessors, Atlas made a turn. Not a gravitational curve, a deliberate, angular deviation. NASA, JAXA, and even SpaceX's deep tracking systems have confirmed it. This object isn't drifting. It's navigating. It decelerated near Saturn. Accelerated again near Mars. And now, it's on a slow, calculated approach toward Earth. Of course, the question everyone's whispering becomes impossible to ignore. Is it alien? Are we witnessing the first intentional contact from an extraterrestrial civilization? Or, and this is the darker possibility, are we being observed? The terrifying truth is, we don't know if it's peaceful or a scout. But back to the science, the unsettling part is the color. Shifting colors in space aren't new, but the patterns seen in 3I Atlas? They repeat. With perfect intervals. Like a code. Or a signal. Binary rhythms. Pulses. Harmonics that resemble musical structure, not chaos. It's not glowing, it's talking. And no one speaks the language. What's more terrifying than what we know? Is what they aren't telling us. Government agencies have gone dark. Public data feeds have been interrupted. Several observatories report calibration issues all in the same week. And, coincidentally or not, military satellites have reoriented. Not toward Russia. Not toward China. But up. So, either it's aliens. Or the entire planet just collectively forgot how to aim a telescope. Here's the real horror. It emits no heat signature. No engine trails. No radiation spikes. Just silence. Objects in space aren't silent. Even rocks hum with thermal energy. But Atlas is cold. Deliberate. Almost. Waiting. And if you're thinking, well, at least it's not beaming anything at us, think again. Because on September 3rd, several deep space radio arrays picked up a faint signal. A repeating tone. Almost like a doorbell. If this is contact, it's not how Hollywood imagined it. No flying saucers. No mothership hovering over the White House. It's subtle. Mathematical. Calculated. And maybe that's how advanced civilizations actually behave. They don't show up with trumpets. They observe. Quietly. Like we watch ants in a farm. Which raises the unnerving question, are we the intelligent ones in this equation, or the ants? Let's not ignore the elephant in the cosmos. What if it's not friendly? If it's a scout, what's it scouting for? Our minerals. Our water. Our selfies. Or maybe, just maybe, it's looking for the softest spot to insert the probe. Pause, look, I'm not saying bend over and wave, but maybe, stretch a little. As of today, Atlas is $0.10 from Earth. That's just over 9 million miles. But closing in at a steady, eerie pace. No one knows if it'll enter our atmosphere. Or just pass us by. No one knows if it's autonomous. Or watching us through eyes older than our entire species. No one knows anything. And that is perhaps the most terrifying contact of all. Whether it's alien, artificial, or a cosmic accident. 3i Atlas reminds us, we are not alone. And maybe, we never were. So sleep tight. Keep your telescopes up. Keep your tin hats shiny. And whatever you do, if they knock, don't answer the door without pants on. Because the universe might be calling. And it has very cold fingers.